Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of Google Sheets, and we're going to explore 10 essential functions you absolutely must know. First up, we have the if function, which is a lifesaver when it comes to conditional formatting. Then, there's the VLOOKUP function, which is a must-have for data analysis. Next, we have the sum function, which is a no-brainer for calculating totals. Moving on, we have the COUNTIF function, which is perfect for counting cells that meet certain criteria. Next, we have the average function, which is great for calculating the average of a range of cells. Now, let's talk about the VLOOKUP function, which is perfect for finding values in a table. Next, we have the round function, which is great for rounding numbers. And last but not least, we have the filter function, which is perfect for filtering data. That's it for our top 10 Google Sheets functions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and stay with TechVerse today.